In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment to an invoice. By the end, you'll feel confident recording a payment so your records stay accurate and up to date. To begin, click Invoices. This takes you to your list of issued invoices, where you can see who owes what, the amounts, and the current statuses. If you manage a lot of invoices, this page is your home base for staying organized. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct company or account view if your software supports multiple entities, so you don't accidentally log a payment in the wrong place. Next, open your invoice. Locate the exact invoice you want to update, matching the client, the invoice number, and the total due. It helps to quickly scan the date and outstanding balance to make sure you've selected the right one, especially if you have multiple invoices for the same customer. Opening the invoice gives you a full view of its line items, taxes, discounts, and the current balance due. Now, click More Actions. You'll usually find this as a button or a small menu on the invoice page. It aggregates secondary options that aren't part of basic viewing or printing. If you don't immediately see it, it may appear as 3 dots or a drop-down. This is where payment-related tools are typically grouped. From that menu, click Add a Payment. This option tells the system you're recording money you've already received, rather than charging a card in real time. It's perfect for checks, bank transfers, or cash, and it works just as well when a payment only covers part of the invoice. Enter payment details carefully. Fill in the amount received, the date you received it, and the payment method, such as bank transfer, credit card, cash, or check. If there's a reference number or transaction ID, add it for easier reconciliations later. Use the Notes field to capture helpful context, like Deposit for Project Phase 1, which can save time during audits or month-end close. If it's a partial payment, enter the exact amount received. Your system will calculate the remaining balance automatically. Take a moment to verify currency, if applicable, and double-check that the amount and date match your bank or receipt. Finally, click Save. Your invoice will update to reflect the new payment, and its status should change to paid or partially paid based on the amount. Review the updated balance and confirm everything looks correct. If you spot an error, you can usually edit or remove the payment entry and resave. That's it. Your invoice now accurately reflects the payment you received.